Hello students. Today we are going to proceed forward. That means we are going to change the sentence of past perfect tense into passive. Let us see how we can do so. Past perfect affirmative. Sir had taught us English. That means, sir, this is subject, had, HV, V3, us and English. These both are object. Okay? Then, what the structure we are going to use to change this sentence into passive? Object plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, this is the structure going to be used to change the sentence into passive. Let us see how. English had been taught to us by sir, or this was as English as an object, and then us. If we start it with us, what the sentence will be narrated? We had been taught English by so. You can start with both the object and complete the sentence following this structure. Got it? Sir had taught us English, means English had been taught to us by sir, or we had been taught English by sir. Understood? Okay, now we will proceed toward negative of it. अब हम लोग नकारात्मक वाक्य को बनाएंगे. So, negative sentence. My mother had not bought these baskets. Okay, my mother, subject, had, we, HV, not negotiation, bought, V3, these baskets is object. So, what the structure we are going to follow? Object plus had had plus not plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Just have a look. Oh my god. These baskets, object is these baskets. These baskets had not been bought by my mother. These baskets had not been bought by my mother. So simple. Follow the structure and your sentence will be absolutely all right. अगर आप स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करेंगे तो आपका सेंटेंस गलत नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है. My mother had not bought these baskets. Now we will start the sentence with these baskets. Object is these baskets. These baskets followed by had negative, not been, verb's third form. Bought is verb's third form, so bought by my mother. So simple. Now this is negative sentence, beta. Sorry, I have not written over here negative. So this is negative sentence. Now we will change the sentence of interrogative into passive. Now interrogative. I and P. This is interrogative. So had my friends beaten, broken the toys, had my friend broken the toys. So structure that is going to be followed. Had plus object plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject plus interrogative sign. This is the structure going to be used. Okay. Now had actually my friends. This is subject. Broken was third form. The toys. It is object. So the toys. We are going to start the sentence with had the toys, object after that been, verb's third form broken by my friends, my friends, interrogation. Okay. Had my friends broken the toys? Had the toys been broken by my friends? Got it? One more along with interrogative sentences starting with the WH word. we're just going to add QW over here. QW plus QW. Okay? Just have a look. Who had beaten me? So, who QW had HV beaten V3 object me. So, if this type of sentence comes in front of you, you are going to start, when you are going to change it into passive, you will start it with by whom. By whom. By whom. By whom had I been beaten? By whom had I been beaten? This is the way to change this type of sentence into passive. So, hope you would have understand the entire structure and how to change the sentence into passive of past perfect tense in all the type of sentences. Thank you. Have a nice day.